Hi guys, this is Luke here. Just a quick video for you. Nothing salesy here at all, just basically a bit of value. Now, if you're in the online business, which if you're watching this I'm sure you are, then there's a 99% chance that you are using hosting and domains to set up some kind of website, whether that's for a niche blog or whether it's for your sales pages or maybe even doing product launches. Anyway, chances are you are using some kind of hosting for some kind of website online, because that's the way to build authority and branding. But I'm here to tell you that if you do have your site set up and the traditional style where you have something like Namecheap here, you go over and buy a domain or HostGator or Bluehost or whatever, and then you just go over and just connect it to your hosting. So you can just get access, so your customers can get access to your website from the internet, then you are in danger. Basically, there are a lot of attackers out there and hackers who will bombard your site with spammy traffic, with junk traffic, and it will cause your hosting to have to close down your website, which can mean lost sales, lost traffic, and just disaster for your business. Now, this isn't a sales pitch. Basically, what I have here for you is a system that is very simple to set up, very easy, and is completely free, and it will just offer a buffer, kind of a filter if you like, between the junk traffic and your website, and we'll just filter out all that traffic for you, just giving you a peace of mind there. The other good thing is, this system I'm going to show you also uses a special system where your site will be kind of managed from their nearest computer. So basically, without getting too technical, your site pages will load quicker and your site will generally just work quicker, which is basically a better customer experience for anybody coming into your site, which will just make sure you can decrease bounce rates from your site. And when your sales pages open, they'll open quickly and just give someone a bit more of an opportunity to just click on there and take the action you want them to. So what is this system? Let me show you. It's a thing called Cloudflare. Okay. If you're watching this and you already know about Cloudflare and you're using it, then fine, brilliant, you can stop watching this video. If you haven't used Cloudflare before and you're not using any kind of filter or security on your sites, please watch this because it's very, very simple. Okay, let me show you this. So what you need to do, so I'm going to show you an example here, just take you step by step. So imagine that you've decided what kind of site you need or what kind of domain you need. You've chosen the domain, you've bought it. So I'm doing mine through Namecheap here, and I have this site here which is called Life is Not a Sprint, where I'm just going into the jogging for weight loss niche. Okay, so what you would do is come over here and just click Add Site. You can just go here and you just put it here, and it will take a little while to scan. And it takes a little while. They're just scanning the information here. And it's happening. And it's happening. Basically what it's doing here is just scanning all the data on this site here. And when it's completed, we can just continue with this process. Just takes a little time though. Bear with me. And nearly. And boom. And then you can just go, so now you can just go to continue setup and it will go on to the next bit. Alright. Okay, when you just click next, it's going to ask you which plan you want. So definitely you can just go for the free plan. All right, and then you just continue. And then you have these name servers. So what you want to do is just grab these name servers, and we're going to just go back to okay, the name. So go back to our Namecheap here and name server setup, and we're just gonna get rid of these, and we're gonna put these name servers in here, Kanye.ns. Alright, this goes here. And this one goes here. And then save changes. Okay. Alright, and once you've done that, it will just say, so pending, and it says allow up to 24 hours to change to be processed. But you should find that it will take only a matter of a few minutes. So what you can do is, let's just take a quick look at one of my other ones. How do we go back to? Let's go to overview. Okay, so yeah, you can see, look, it says status active, so this website is active on Cloudflare. Let's go back to analytics, and yeah, so you can see, of course, I've just set this up, so it doesn't have analytics here, but basically, after you've been running this for a few days or a week or whatever, you'll see that analytics, this will tell you how much traffic's coming to your site, and it'll also tell you any threats, unique visitors, etc. So you can just make sure everything's up and running at all. If you do have any kind of any doubts, or you wonder if you've done this correctly or not, just go over to your hosting and just say, is everything showing up okay? And then they should be able to tell you what's going on with that. All right, so that's it. Just get Cloudflare set up, just that peace of mind, especially if you're looking to run some any amount of traffic and want you're kind of leaning on your website for your business. You just don't want it kind of being attacked and flooded with junk traffic that's going to close your website down. So that's it. Cloudflare, cloudflare.com, completely free, and you can be set up as many websites as you want, and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks a lot. Any questions, fire them over to me, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.